Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our horizontal layouts for the next week in January. And I've got this Tombow brush pen here ready to go, as well as this washi tape I may use, and these sticker books which I'll pull from. And this is the third week of the January Planable Challenge, and this week's theme is favorite things. So if you'd like to participate, go ahead and post your spreads up on Instagram using the hashtag PlanableJanuary2022. We'd love to see what you come up with. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and lay down some wax paper, which I like to do so I can move around these stickers all over the place and just kind of customize my design the way I like it without having to commit before I'm ready. So I have pulled out my Color Story 4 sticker book from the Happy Planner. I'll be using some stickers out of this book. Just a note, I do have 2 sheets of these winter-like stickers that you're seeing here. I was sent some from Liz, Planner Babe, who follows my channel. She sent me a bunch of stickers that she wasn't going to use. So I do have 2 sheets of this particular sticker set, but the book only comes with 1. I don't think I use anything that you would need to have exactly 2 of, but just a heads up that I do have 2 of these sticker sheets at hand. So I thought for favorite things, because I love winter themes during winter, and this was kind of just in a collection of different winter items that I thought gave me the winter feels, I thought it'd be a good thing for our favorite things here in January. I'm just going to do a diagonal spread using all of these different items, kind of cascading down the page. I will say that the sticker sheet that I have here, one of them was not cut very well by the machine, so some of the stickers need to be cut out by hand in order to release them. So you're going to see me cutting out some stickers out of this sheet in most of the areas. Luckily, they are clear stickers, so you really can't tell that I've hand cut them versus, them being pre-cut. So I'll just quickly do that as fast as I can to get these things out, but I do want to use these stickers up. Definitely going to stick with the blue and kind of neutral beige brown color scheme that's in these stickers to help unify the spread and just make it feel like a cohesive idea, if you will. So I'm bringing in, again, just the blue and the brown items here. It is a little trickier now that I have to cut out each of these stickers individually, but it doesn't take too long. Really do like the snowflakes on this one too, just gives me those really cute winter feels. I've been all about snowflakes lately. A lot of my spreads have had a snowflake theme. I live in Southern California, so we get 0 snow, but it's nice to, I don't know, plan and pretend like it's winter, like a real winter with snow. And just trying to bring in a few more items, move things over for saving for a different spread as well from the sheet. Cut out maybe the last of these blue snowflake stickers. Like I said, I'm just doing a basic diagonal spread. If you're new to the Happy Planner and sticker decorating in your planner, I do have a few videos on my channel that might be helpful to you. I plan in a horizontal planner, but I have a video that kind of gives you some guidance on different types of layouts for each of the major styles of planner types, including vertical, dashboard, and horizontal, as well as a monthly layout. So if that is interest to you, I will link it here at the top in the cards. I'll try to remember to link it also in the description below in case you don't have access to the cards. So you can check that out. This is one of the types of layouts that I talk about in the video, the diagonal layout. So now I'm in the minimal sticker book and looking for some focus boxes or other items that I can bring in here just to kind of continue the color scheme and also add some functionality and added decor. I'm also going to go ahead and look back in the Color Story 4 sticker book just in case I missed anything in there. But I wasn't really seeing anything that I needed to bring in from that book. So I decided to move on to the washi tape that I think I want to use here. And I'm going to go ahead and add that in to the top and maybe bottom corners here. That dark blue washi is actually from a Van Gogh set I picked up during my Black Friday haul. And I also have a set of neutral style washi tapes that I bought on Amazon, and I am using one of the really fine dot patterned ones from that set. I'm also in the neutral watercolor sticker book, now trying to pull in again some more items for focus boxes and things to continue out that color scheme across the page. I'm not a huge fan of this brown, but it does match up with a lot of the items, so I'm going to go ahead and see if there's anything I want to bring in from that or in that kind of softer blue that looks like it might match up with the blues that we're using here. And just looking through the book, seeing if there's anything else that I think would be a good match for the spread. Lots of really pretty colors in here. I think will definitely help flesh out a lot of spreads in the future. I picked this one up also over the Black Friday holiday. And thought I might use that long box there, but decided against it. We'll probably just stick with these smaller clear quotes. I think those work a little bit better. They're a little bit less intrusive, but continue the color scheme and also have that bit of black that each of the decor stickers has on it. So I think that that makes it work a little better on the spread than some of the other ones. And I think I want to bring in a few of these half circle box stickers as well, just to continue that color scheme. So I'll bring those in, but I'm going to put them off the side of the page a little bit so that I can trim off the metal foil header on each. It's cute, but really I didn't want to add in that other element of metal foiling here on the spread. So we'll just cut that part off and still use it for the color. And thinking about bringing in a few more items here to my little decorative collage. Going back to this softer blue box, I think it works, so I think I'll bring that in. Maybe some more of this It's not really good brown, but there is some of that tone in these stickers, so we'll try to use up those stickers here if I can. It feels a little bit, I don't know, I feel like it could be a little bit better. I'm going to try to rework this with the snowflakes a little bit differently. One thing I'm always thinking about, you guys, is functionality. It's a big one with me, and I mention it a lot on my channel. I love, creative planning, using these different stickers on the spreads and making my own design that's nice to look at. However, if I can't actually use the spread to plan in, then it's kind of pointless. So for me, I'm always thinking about how I'm going to use the spread and then tailoring the decor around that. So I'm ready to move things over. I'm going to start dropping things in. And again, just trimming off those headers I mentioned before that I didn't really want to have the metal foiling in there. And I'll trim off the washi as well. Go ahead and lay down the washi here at the top. And just align it up best I can and trim it out as well. And next I'm just going to move over the bigger stickers. My husband started talking to me and I put that sticker down in the wrong spot because he was distracting me, so I told him to stop distracting me. So he stopped. And I'm going to try to roll off some of these stickers at least to get this part of the design going. It's going to be a little tricky. The stickers really aren't touching that well, so that is usually when it's the easiest, when all the stickers are kind of connected to each other and you can just roll it off. But I'll try. I'll do a few of these at least, just to make sure that I'm getting it started going the right way. And I'll move a few of these guys over by hand as well, just so I can make sure that the alignment around those holes is right. I don't really want to cut around the holes today, so we'll just make sure that everything is kind of placed around the holes. And this technique works pretty well, just using the wax paper and holding it down and then, moving the stickers over one by one. That works well when you have the situation where the stickers aren't actually touching, but you want to make sure the placement is exactly where you want it. So there is that. I am making some adjustments here so that I can include the beanie hat that I cut off from the top, that little extra piece. So I've moved some things around just so that it feels a little bit more natural. And again, moving over those quote stickers as well as the focus box stickers. And I think that looks good. I need to separate out this snowflake so I can divide up the pages. And we're pretty close here, I think. All that's really left to do is to add in maybe a few more snowflakes. I just felt like I could have a little bit more cohesion here with these snowflakes. And then I'll add in my checklist using this Tombow pen. And once I'm done with that, friends, we will be done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we will see you next time. Bye!